Greetings and welcome to my second episode of the Learning Godot series. This week, learned a little bit about menu UIing and a little bit of multiplayer basics. Unfortunately, most of the week I was sick, so the progress is not all there, but here's a record of what I did. First, I created a functioning UI, which with the help of videos and links I've included down below. This UI is, well, pretty solid access with keyboard controls and a little bit of a button feedback. And let's see what else I have in options. It is a also controllable option with switchable tabs. I also tested and played with a lot of different containers, like the tab containers as well as the other box containers. But this does the job, gets the trick done. Let's take a look at the OS control options. Works just as expected. Resolution part is a little sketchy, but still works, as well as the button hotkey. Works well. Alright, next we have the terminating script. You can probably see that I have two different instances open. That is for the next part, multiplayer. What I have here is a simple lane connecting work that I did for multiplayer. I believe all I have to do is here to open the host, and let's see if I can get this client to join correctly. Looks like it works just as expected. However, I did run into some trouble when trying to export it to the UPnP to connect over the internet. It looks like my client or my router doesn't actually support UPnP. I'll have to get it checked out later, but so far, as you can see, the controls work fine. I did do a little bit of test with RPC, and so far so good. What I did with the network scripting is I separated the network handler into a separate scene, or a separate singleton to have it loaded on startup, and this way I'm able to isolate this from the rest of the game. So when I inevitably move on to Steam API or some other sort of networks, this is a very easy way to deal with. Now, what I also did is, let's take a quick look at what happens if I turn on the PNP. Let's take a look. And I believe it'll get stuck and report back error number 27, which is saying that you don't have. Yep, there we go. Discovery failed. After that, I did a little bit of testing with, I believe, save options. Is it in here? It's in here. Okay. So in the test file, let's get rid of that real quick. There's a little save and load, and on load it's able to load up a certain value. Let's take a look at where it showed up right here. Okay, save data. And as you can probably see, this has already been encrypted with a simple line of open encrypted with password. All right. So I believe that sums up my progress for this week. Hoping next week I'll have a bit more progress. And hopefully I can start testing with multiplayer and get my game started. Alright, thank you for watching.